Hey, what's up, y'all? It's me, your girl, annoying as DiDi. And today, as you can see, it's nice and bright outside. That means we are officially in springtime, and it's time to get to work in the garden. So come on, let's get to it.
This is a weed speed.
You guys, it is freaking hot as heck out here. Like, godly. It is freaking hot out here. So if you got any hard work you need to do right now out in the garden, you better do it now. Because baby, it's gonna get scorching hot real fast. We hurry up and finish this last trellis. Sweating bullets. Alright, y'all, so I think I'm finished with my trellis. My trellises look ugly as shit. They look scary. Let me show you. But I don't even care what the skeleton look like, cause it ain't nothing but a skeleton. Cause once that body get on there, you know what I'm saying, that thing gonna be looking so good. So that's that one. That's the main one. And then this one, look at this one. Yeah. Told you I was gonna work in some of that twine. Whew, I'm finna turn blue out here. I swear for God. I swear to God. Your girl's about to be blue. Alright, here go the other one. Yeah, come on, let's do a walkthrough. Boom. 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 Alright, I'm gonna go take a break. I'm thirsty. Be right back. That was so cute.
No, it wasn't.
Yes, it was.
No, it wasn't.
You guys, the sun is a lot nicer now. It's like 4. Took like a 2-hour break. And it's a lot more breezy now. So, yeah, now we're gonna go back in the garden. So come on. Alright, you guys, so I want to take this pub out, put it somewhere, and then I got another pub right here. I don't know if you can see that. Two pubs. I gotta take those off. But where am I gonna put them?
I need to catch lizards because it's hard.
Well, you gotta think like a lizard.
This is a weed speed. Look at my little pup. Yes, little pup.
Oh, you guys, I forgot to show you. I'm gonna get some guava soon. My guava is bloomed. Yeah, baby. She's bloomed. We're gonna get some fruit. Ooh, look at you. All right, so right here, I'm gonna plant some basil. I don't know what kind of basil, but I gotta get some basil. All right, so right here, I think I'm gonna put some purple basil. Y'all gonna remember? We're gonna grow some purple basil. Mind you, this is the poorest of soil, but I'm gonna make it do what it do, baby. I don't know, there's too many ants over here. We're gonna have to find another location. I'm gonna make it do what it do, baby. All right, so we found the location. We're gonna put him over here. I'm gonna make it do what it do, baby. Ooh. Okay, babe. I will see them again. All right, remember. It's over here by the collard greens, purple basil. Okay, purple basil. All right, so we're gonna uproot my rosemary, and we're gonna put her down here, and then I gotta harvest some collard greens, and then we're gonna water. We're gonna get up out of here. Hopefully I can get all that done before this battery dies, so come on.
This is a weed bee.
Alright, y'all, so we are at the home stretch. We're going to harvest these collard greens and then water. What a day.
This is a Weezy.
Alright you guys, so now we are inside editing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video just as much as I enjoyed making it. And until next time, baby, it's your girl Annoying as Didi. Peace, love, and shade butter, baby.